Namaskar. So in this video, we are going to talk about Regulation 43, which is about transparency and disclosure. And note that this directly impacts litigants and advocates. Now, the court shall, where an AI tool materially assists in any aspect of case management, document analysis, or judicial administration that may affect the conduct of their proceedings, ensure that the parties are informed in a timely and accessible manner. So, the court shall, that means it is the duty of the court that where an AI tool materially assists in any aspect of case management, document analysis, or judicial administration that may affect the conduct of the proceedings of the parties. In that case, the court must ensure that the parties are informed in a timely and accessible manner. So here, advocates have some right to know. So advocates have a right to be informed of the use of AI. Okay. The obligation of court under sub-regulation 1, that is this one, shall apply in all permitted uses of AI specified in regulation 19. Okay. So regulation 19 was, if you remember, it was the permitted uses of AI. Okay. Now, where an AI tool is used, now once again, so here it says AI tool. I don't know why not AI system. So this thing has to be corrected in my opinion. It has to be AI system, and then that whole thing has to be carried throughout. So where an AI system is used by any party, okay, any party or his legal representative in the preparation or submission of any document, right? Pleading or evidence, the AI assisted character of such material shall be disclosed to the court at the time of submission by way of a duly executed declaration or certificate in the format prescribed under Annexure 1, which I couldn't find, and any court initiated AI used in any court process shall be declared in accordance with the format provided in Annexure 2, and this one also I could not find. So the AI assisted character of such material. So if you see, one here is it binds the court that wherever it does, it materially uses AI in assistance in case management, document analysis, or judicial administration that may affect the conduct of the proceedings for advocates or litigants. So then court should tell them. And in this case, it's the other way around, that if the parties are using AI in a manner, then they should disclose it to the court that they are, whatever is AI generated, whatever is not AI generated, we don't need to say anything, but whatever is AI generated, we need to disclose it to the court. So this is very important thing for lawyers, and it directly impacts them. Now, the court shall have the authority to, the court shall have the authority to require disclosure of AI system use, the nature and extent of AI assistance provided, the steps taken to verify the accuracy of any AI generated content in respect of any AI assisted submission placed before it. Okay. So for example, let's say we take example whether as an advocate, let's say we have used Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, whatever. So the court shall have the authority to require disclosure of the AI system use. So here is just the name, but then the nature and extent of AI assistant provided. So not just the name, more. Okay. Then the third is, what are the steps taken to verify the accuracy? Because if you see Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, whichever of these chatbots, they explicitly say that they are AI and they can make mistake. So the steps taken to verify the accuracy what was the step taken to verify the accuracy on the part of the lawyer of AI generated content in respect of any AI assisted submission placed before it? Okay, so again, this directly impacts advocates and we should know it. Any person using synthetic data or synthetic information in any judicial proceeding shall be required to disclose such use to the court in such form and manner as the appropriate authority may prescribe. Okay, so any synthetic data. What is the difference with previous one? So here in the submission of any document, pleading or evidence or AI assistant character should be displayed. Okay. In this case, any person using synthetic data or synthetic information in any judicial proceeding, so this covers everything, shall be required to disclose such use to the court. Now, in the event that any document, pleading or evidence submitted to a court is found to be fabricated, false, misleading or inaccurate by reasons of its AI generated character, right? So if AI generated thing is found to be false, fabricated, misleading, inaccurate, the person submitting the same shall bear full responsibility therefore and shall not be entitled to rely upon the character of the AI output as a defense. The court may pass such orders as it deems fit against the responsible person. Again, this directly impacts advocates. So with this, I think we are done with this particular regulation. Maybe one last thing. So transparency here is transparency on both sides and disclosures on both sides. Whichever party is using AI, it should be disclosed to the other side. Okay, if court is using, it will disclose it to the parties. If parties are using, they will disclose it to the court. So I think that's enough for this video. Thank you so much.